Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's practical session, we are going to learn about different types of resistors and see how they work in real electronic circuits. We are going to cover the carbon resistor. You can see the carbon resistor, also the thermistor. You can see the thermistor here. The rheostat and the potentiometer. First, the carbon resistor. What is it? A carbon resistor is a fixed resistor, meaning its resistance value cannot be changed. It is made from carbon material and is one of the most common resistors used in electronic circuits. Different color bands on the resistor. By this you can check the resistance. Also, I will show you by the multimeter. We will connect the two terminals of this resistor and you can check the resistance. You can see the multimeter displays the resistance. You know this confirms that the resistor has a fixed resistance. Its application is in LED circuits, voltage dividers, current limiting and electronic circuits. Now you can see the thermistor. A thermistor is a temperature sensitive resistor. Its resistance changes when the temperature changes. There are two main types, that is negative temperature coefficient and the positive temperature coefficient. We can measure the resistance of this thermistor by the multimeter. Now gently heat this thermistor or warm it. You can see the resistance of this thermistor has changed. Its application is in temperature measurement, battery protection, in air conditioners, in refrigerators, also in electronic temperature control circuit. We have a device, this is called a rheostat. A rheostat is a variable resistor used to control current in a circuit. It usually has two terminals. By rotating the knob or sliding the contact, the resistance changes. We will connect the rheostat, change the knob. Higher resistance reduces current, making the bulb dimmer. Lower resistance increases current, making the bulb brighter. The application of the rheostat is in fan speed control, light dimmers, in laboratory experiments, also current control circuits. At last, we see the potentiometer. What is it? A potentiometer is a three-terminal variable resistor. It is mainly used as a voltage divider. The middle terminal is called the wiper, which moves as the knob rotates. We will connect the potentiometer to the power supply. We will measure the output voltage between the wiper and the ground. As we rotate the knob, the output voltage changes smoothly from 0 volts to the supply voltage. This shows how a potentiometer controls the voltage. Its application is in volume control, brightness control, sensor applications, Arduino projects, electronic adjustments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical electronic experiments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.